Welcome to Critical Angle. My name is Ian McCarthy. I'm very excited to finally bring you guys the video of me flying a brand new Bell 505 helicopter from the factory in Montreal, Canada, down to South Brazil. Back in 2018, which is when we did this flight, I was probably about a 1,000-hour pilot at the time, and I'd never even been out of the country. So now here I was, my first time going out of the country was me flying this helicopter, landing in about 11 different countries, 5,300 nautical miles, which is about a quarter of the way around the circumference of the Earth. It was a pretty daunting task. One thing that I did have to help me out is my co-pilot Felipe, who was going to be the Brazilian pilot that was flying for the family there. He was a super young dude, way less time than me, in the aircraft. Didn't have any kind of international experience, but he spoke English, Spanish, and Portuguese, so just breaking through that language barrier helped a ton. Just kind of an idea of a sense of scale of this trip is, once we went through the eastern seaboard of the United States, we went through the Bahamas and kind of got into South America, it kind of felt like we were at the tail end of the trip, even though if you were to start a trip from San Francisco, California to Jacksonville, Florida, that would have been the amount of distance we still had remaining, except it was through the Amazon jungle. So it was definitely pretty scary. Now, this first episode starts in Providenciales in the Bahamas, near Turks and Caicos, which I know is not Canada. And the reason that it didn't start in Canada is because the primary SD card from that point up until where we're going to start this video was corrupted, and we unfortunately lost the footage. It's a bummer, but we're just going to continue from this point on and finish out this trip. This leg is going to be relatively short from Providenciales to Punta Cana in the Dominican, but it's going to kind of show that transition from U.S. airspace, Miami Center, into the Dominican, where most of the transmissions are going to be in Spanish. And when we do hear English, it's very kind of broken English, and it can be a little bit tough to understand sometimes. So the communication can be a problem, as well as a lot of the distances involved in these stations can lead to kind of poor reception, even with us flying at higher altitudes. So I'm rambling. Let's get right into the action. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to the Bell 505.
So generator?
Generator?
Yeah. Okay.
Batch.
Batch. Scum up to fly.
From level requested?
Say Bell 505 helicopter. Zulu Yankee.
Number 857 Zulu Yankee, confirm requesting 7,500.
7,500 affirm, 7 Zulu Yankee.
Number 857 Zulu Yankee is cleared to leave the control zone via the southeast on climb 75.
Okay, clear to leave eastbound, 75, helicopter 857 Zulu Yankee.
Okay, bro. Let's come on up. Good to go. You have controls?
Get a little bit
I have
closer.
controls?
You got it.
Okay, can fly.
Okay, yeah.
Number 857 Zulu Yankee, hold position, report ready for taxi.
Okay, we'll hold report ready for taxi 857 Zulu Yankee.
Jet 25904 Bravo, Roger. Expect the RNAV approach to runway 10 after redirect Rayham.
Let's turn right a little bit.
Everglades 198, confirm altitude and distance to Venus now.
2,004 miles to Venus for Everglades 198.
Number 857 Zulu Yankee, line up runway via taxiway Foxtrot. Wind 100 degrees, 6 knots, runway 10, clear for takeoff.
Okay, line up via Foxtrot and clear for takeoff, helicopter 857 Zulu Yankee.
Over here.
Okay.
Well, we'll see how high we can get, bro. I don't know if we're getting 7,500.
Okay.
November 857 Zulu Yankee, airborne 36, report passing 6,000.
Report passing 6,000, 857 Zulu Yankee. Center helicopter 857 Zulu Yankee.
November 857 Zulu Yankee, squawk 6657, same intention.
6657, and we're just off Providenciales, 7,500, headed to Punta Cana, 7 Zulu Yankee.
Main number 857 Zulu Yankee, radar contact 20 miles southeast of Provo, maintain VFR and confirm departed Provo, landing Punta Cana, helicopter.
Maintain VFR, and that's a firm, departed Provo, landing Punta Cana, helicopter 857 Zulu Yankee.
Roger, altimeter 2992.
2992 Zulu Yankee.
Ton for American
I have
611.
controls.
America 611, when able, say estimate 4 lead time, request even altitude and Mach number.
Pretty good, huh? They have those in Brazil or what?
Southwest 3885, Miami Center, roger.
It's like popcorn with like caramel or
Small island.
Yep.
Roger. November 857 Zulu Yankee, contact Miami Center 126.45.
2645, 857 Zulu Yankee. Miami Center, helicopter 857 Zulu Yankee, level at 7,500.
857 Zulu Yankee, Miami Center, roger, maintain VFR.
Maintain VFR, Zulu Yankee.
Only 438 for traffic, center maintain, flight level 290.
Descent level 290, now 438.
Helicopter 857 Zulu Yankee, radar service terminated. Log VFR suggests South Domingo frequency 124.3 in 8 minutes. 24.3 in 8 minutes. If no joy there, you can try Seabal approach on 119.0.
Okay, we'll go ahead and squawk VFR, and about 8 minutes we'll try 124.3, and then if no joy, 119.0, 7 Zulu Yankee.
7 Zulu Yankee, affirmative, have a good day.
Good day. Santo Domingo, helicopter 857 Zulu Yankee.
Number 857, Juliet Yankee, Domingo.
That's 857 Zulu Yankee. We are 42 miles north of Puerto Plata, 9,500 VFR to Punta Cana.
Roger, QNH at Puerto Plata, 30.06, report changing altitude.
Okay, report changing altitude 857 Zulu Yankee.
And November 857 Zulu Yankee, Seabal approach.
857 Zulu Yankee.
Could you confirm your full flight plan?
We departed from Providenciales, and we're a Bell 505 helicopter. We are direct to Punta Cana, 857 Zulu Yankee.
November 857 Zulu Yankee, set squawk 1246.
1246 for 857 Zulu Yankee.
Confirm aircraft type is helicopter Bell 505.
Affirm Bell 505 Zulu Yankee.
Contact.
I'm sorry, it's you're coming in broken for 857 Zulu Yankee.
For 857 Zulu Yankee, contact Santo Domingo Radio 126.9 and monitor this frequency.
Okay, we'll contact them on 126.9 and monitor this frequency 857 Zulu Yankee. Santo Domingo Radio helicopter November 857 Zulu Yankee.
Station coordinates.
Not getting anything. I keep forgetting to say November because I'm used to flying in the U.S., so I didn't know we should have specified.
Santo Domingo Radio helicopter November 857 Zulu Yankee. Santo Domingo Radio helicopter November 857 Zulu Yankee. Yes, sir. We are 33 miles north of Puerto Plata, 9,500, and we are direct to Punta Cana, November 857 Zulu Yankee.
November 857 Zulu Yankee. Could you confirm people on board and fuel status and estimated time of arrival at Punta Cana?
Yes, 857 Zulu Yankee. 2 souls on board, and we have approximately 2.5 hours of fuel. And that looks like estimated time of arrival 220 Zulu for November 857 Zulu Yankee.
857 Zulu Yankee. 40 miles inbound Punta Cana.
English.
Okay, we will report 40 miles inbound Punta Cana 857 Zulu Yankee.
Perfect, supply.
India 1029, información. Recibido, notifique 10 millas fuera del Ligüero. En el Ligüero pista 19, viento 180 grados, en nudo, visibilidad mayor de 10, QNH 3009.
I don't know, man, if it's the water caused that impression, but doesn't look like we are at 9,000 feet.
I mean, once you get above like 5,000 feet, it's kind of hard to tell, you know, the difference in altitude.
But I think the water caused that impression because we do not have to compare.
Yeah, like a building or something.
Yeah.
You know, you can't see the scale.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I think you're right.
But 3 kilometers, man, is a lot.
This is airfield information. X-ray at time 2100. Please contact ATC for current runway in use. Surface wind 070 degrees 6 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud few at
1.3 for 3,000.
Temperature 28.
See any resorts, bro?
No, a lot. I thought Punta Cana has a beautiful water, man. It's not like that.
Yeah. Well, it's probably.
Departure WestJet.
We're still 20 miles from Punta Cana, you know.
500 for 3,000.
Getting better?
Yeah. Oh man, is that raining?
Looks like.
Is it raining on the field?
There's a rain.
Yeah, man, but I hope not, dude.
Yeah.
But man, that's a big storm, bro.
Punta Cana WestJet 2769, weather ahead, request to turn left or right.
Left them.
Left deviation approved, and after deviation, Santiago, Sierra Gol, Oscar.
And approach helicopter November 857 Zulu Yankee. Is it raining on the field? We can see a little bit of precip up ahead.
You got the runway in sight?
Not quite yet. We're about 14 miles to the northwest, so.
Roger, continue, and do you have any request?
I just wanted to see about the weather. I see looks like rain nearby.
We have no rain reports right now, and continue, report with the field.
Okay, report the field inside. 7 Zulu Yankee. Okay.
No?
You didn't say anything.
Oh, I don't think they understand
like,
you,
no,
man.
no, okay,
No. Man, that's heavy. I think it's better go there. Oh, by there.
No, the wind. We're gonna land on 09 anyways, which is going this way. Look, I have the heading bug on the runway, so it's okay, man.
You're going through the rain?
No, it's only 12 miles. I don't think. I think we're gonna land before the rain. We'll see, man. It might be out on the water. I don't know. We'll find out when we get up here. And approach helicopter 7 Zulu Yankee. We have the field inside.
Roger, contact tower 188.
188, 7 Zulu Yankee. Punta Cana Tower, helicopter November 857 Zulu Yankee, 10 to the northwest.
November 857 Zulu Yankee, Punta Cana Tower, good afternoon. Continue approach runway 09, wind 070 degrees, 5 knots, finish 3010.
Tower, helicopter 857 Zulu Yankee, joining 3 mile final for 09.
November 857 Zulu Yankee, runway 09, clear to land, wind 080 degrees, 4 knots.
Clear to land 09, and just to confirm, the FBO is on the west side of 09, Zulu Yankee?
That's correct, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Caution, terrain, 150.
Oh, is that it?
I think it is.
Tower, helicopter 857 Zulu Yankee, request reposition to the FBO behind Avianca.
November 857 Zulu Yankee, approved behind the Avianca, welcome.
Oh yeah,
Okay,
it is.
857 Zulu Yankee, thanks.
Acá Perú 971, Torre Punta Cana.
Buenas tardes, acá Perú 971, punto de pista 09.
50.
Mantenga fuera de pista 09, tránsito para aterrizar.
Fuera de pista 971.
You think it's gonna be
Go
turbulence or?
Maybe a little
7640,
bit.
runway 09, clear to land, wind 080 degrees, 5 knots.
Clear to land runway 09 or go 7640.
It's better.
Right there, right there.
A little bit to the left.
Okay.
Around.
Yeah, okay.
Engine out. Engine out.
Según hora de posición y mantenga pista 09.
Posición mantiene 09, acá Perú 971.